Relax.
डॉक्टर, एक बहुत कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है, सुबह उठते ही गर्दन में से अकड़न आ जाती है। बहुत सारे लोग ना बिल्कुल ऐसे ऐसे करके काम करते हैं।
Right.
उसको कैसे ठीक करें?
Again, we need to find out first कि problem क्या है, joint problem है या muscular problem है. I want you to sit here.
ओके।
Turn your head right, all the way to the right. Okay, go left. Okay, ठीक है. Again, as compared to your left, your right is very restricted, is a bit tight also. Want you to look up. Is it painful?
नो।
Go down. That's it. Nice. Turn right and left. Good. Relax. Chaliye. I want you to lie down here with your face up.
ओके।
Relax. Loosen up. Let go of your neck. Stay relaxed. No, I want you to relax completely. Focus on your breathing. That's nice. Now, you're keeping it stiff. Yep, this movement is restricted here. Try to relax. Okay, that's it. Try to relax. Let me move your head. Good. Good. That's it. All right. Now lie down on your stomach, facing down towards me. Yes. Hang this arm down. The हाथ पीछे. Try to relax.
Okay.
Loose. Relax. That's it. Perfect. Opposite side. Are you able to move your head freely? Good. Turn the other way.
वेरी नाइस।
Okay. So that's how you can treat neck stiffness that you see
Wow.
in the morning.